Hey, it's Brian from the Buzzsprout Podcaster Success Team. Today, I want to show you how to enable your Buzzsprout subscriptions. If you're looking to monetize your podcast, Buzzsprout subscriptions are a great option. We have many different types of subscriptions, so that allows you to pick the one that is best for your podcast. And we make it easy for your listeners to subscribe. So let's jump in. I'll show you how to do it. Start on your homepage and select monetization. Then go to subscriptions and get started. Here you'll see all the different types of subscriptions. Premium episodes is our most popular. That just means that you will lock specific episodes just for your subscribers. Early access means that your subscribers will get to see your new episodes a few days before the rest of your listeners. Back catalog access means you'll lock many of your past episodes, but your subscribers can see them all. Subscriber-only episodes means that most or all of your episodes will be just for your subscribers. And then ad-free episodes. If you normally have ads in your RSS feed, this ad-free version could be enticing for your subscribers. Once you select your option, I'm going to stick with premium episodes, then you can move on to the title. You can see that we've added a little plus sign here just to differentiate it from your free podcast. Your benefit message. I love the word premium here. It just it makes your subscribers feel like they're getting something of value. And then price. You can see with this drop-down menu, we have the option where you can select anywhere from $3 to $10 for your subscribers. And last, this additional info box will just give you a chance to type in a little bit more information about what your premium episodes will contain and why you think that it would be valuable for your subscribers. Once all that's set, you can see the preview of what your listeners will see on your Buzzsprout website or when they are signing up for the subscription. Once you have everything all set, you can go ahead and hit Create Subscription. And that's it. Your subscriptions are now set up, and the link to support your show will be included in your episode description. If you have any other questions, please feel free to check out the other tutorials on this channel, or you can always email our team at support@buzzsprout.com.